Hey, it's Sammy on May 27th. It's Tuesday, the day after Memorial Weekend. We had an awesome market today. We took 6 trades and made 205 points. The market did move a ton over Memorial Weekend. We had that little tweet go out about pushing tariffs back till July 9th. So let's take a look and see how everything played out today. We were taking some trades pre-market or pre-open. There was a lot of activity overnight. There was a lot of activity overnight yesterday as well. So really the market went up and it made a high. We were at ADR. There's all sorts of things going on here. So the market needs to find some value. The long or the high time frame data decays. The short time frame data grows. So we're going to take a few short moves here and work our way back down towards that pink line, which is VWAP. Now you can see we're really struggling where I type this line that says short break. There's kind of a huge volume node right there. We're going to lock in here on this green line with 27 points. That's deviation 1. You can see we're coming back into this trade again right now. It's past 8:30 just now, so we've got a little bit more data. That high time frame data really decayed, and we're back in this trade heading short. Now we blew through that volume ledge to the left there where it says short break. We're going to trail our stop to plus 30, and it's going to get hit, so we lock in 30 points. Okay, now the short time frame data has flipped over. We're kind of going back up towards that volume point of control. The market found its value almost down there at VWAP, and we're going to trail this stop because we're not working with a ton of data. We've got plus 10 as our stop loss, and when it gets hit, that's okay. We move on to the next trade. All right, we can see we got really powerful data here. This is that move that's happening just before the open. We're in this move. It's moving very aggressively down towards that VWAP right there. That pink line is what we're aiming for. And we're going to go ahead and lock in 37 points. This is the open now. The open ran tremendously. There are those 2 giant candles. They just plowed right down. But all that data generated a ton of momentum, sentiment, and volatility breaks across multiple time frames. Now we can harness this power. We are entering the market at that red line right there. That's Friday's high as well as deviation 1. Now, as this trade breaks, we're aiming for that yellow line, deviation 2. We're just going to be really aggressive and lock in 56 points. Now I went to the gym and came home, and you can see now the data flipped it completely the other way. This is why I love working with data. It tells me when to be in the shorts or when to be in the longs. You can see we have all that momentum and sentiment. We've made our way all the way back up to the overnight high. So this market now, we're going to punch through ADR. We're actually heading up towards that 138 2 Fibonacci level up there. You can see we're being incredibly aggressive, trailing that stop, got that plus 30 in place. And as we bounce up here really close to our profit, we're just going to lock in 45 points.